In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Siteground. This is your comprehensive guide for 2024, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the know-how needed to manage your site's cache effectively, ensuring optimal performance. Let's begin by navigating to the Siteground homepage. Visit the official Siteground website by typing in their URL into your browser. You've now arrived at Web Hosting Perfected, which is their catchy slogan that you'll see at the top of the page. Once you're there, the next step is straightforward. You'll want to locate and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're not directed automatically, you might find it useful to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future. After a successful login, you're brought to the dashboard of your Siteground account. From here, find and navigate to My Siteground account. This is the central hub for managing your websites. Once you're in your account section, identify the site that you're looking to manage and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can access various tools and settings related to your website. Now look for the Site Tools option. Clicking on Site Tools is crucial as it unveils all the fundamental functionalities required for managing your site, including clearing the cache. This will bring up a new set of options that are all part of the Siteground management panel. With these tools now displayed, focus on finding the Speed option. Click on Speed to continue. Improving your site's speed is vital for both user experience and search engine ranking, and managing your cache effectively is a fundamental part of this process. Once inside the speed menu, direct your attention to the caching option. Caching is essentially creating a store of web pages or other files to serve them more quickly to visitors, which dramatically enhances performance. Click on Caching to open up the dedicated settings menu for this feature. The final step in this process is to engage the Dynamic Cache option. So go ahead and click on Dynamic Cache. This feature is particularly useful as it stores copies of web pages on the server. By doing so, it reduces the processing time and server load required to serve these pages to visitors. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to clear your cache on Siteground. Regularly managing your cache will help keep your site running smoothly and efficiently, providing a fast and seamless experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.